Hi, Catherine. I'm just going to give you this quick video tutorial, a little bit about how to send a shout out and how to also look at the stats of your shout outs. So we're starting the recording as if you have logged on to the Wix website account, and you will land on this page or one that has this sidebar. It's basically giving you kind of all of the different behind the scenes areas of your website. But for today, we're just going to talk about the shout out. And so you're going to start by clicking on Marketing Tools and then to Email Marketing. And this is now behind the scenes of your um, newsletters. So you can see there's an overall view of the last one that you just did. That's the first one that will pop up. The number that was sent. This number of views means the number of people who actually it landed in their email. And then if you scroll down, you'll see the ones that actually opened it. So this is the real number of the people who read your newsletter. Um, then you keep scrolling down, you can see the ones that didn't open, and you can click on all of these and review these at your leisure. But that will give you the general stats. Um, so what we want to do is we want to look at all of your shout outs. So we're going to go to My Shout Outs here. And I put a starter one in here. This may not look the same by the time we finish it today, but this is the most latest one. I'm going to have it dated up here so you'll know. Your recent one will always be at the top. And you can see this is the last one that we sent and then the one before it. You can open each of these by looking at the full stats by hovering here and then clicking. So this is the one we just looked at. But if we go back, we can also look at the very first one we sent, which was a huge success. This one, if you look at the full stats, it had 1,000 people land in their mailbox, which is amazing, and a whopping almost 60% open rate. That's almost unheard of, but that is really because of your grand opening, because your name was on it. I think because of the way people like the way it looked, et cetera, et cetera. So that's how you can go and look at all of these different statistics. But we're going to go back now to if you're going to send a shout out that has already been made. So by the time you go to send something, I will have already designed and have placed your latest email here. And so for you to send it, you have two options. You can either send a test to yourself or you can just go ahead and send it to everyone. So I'm going to go ahead and show you both ways, but they're very similar. So it starts with going to edit. And here you can just preview the email, make sure it's, the one you want to send. Now, if you want to preview and test it, you would start with here. You would click this and just disregard this for now because I've already upgraded you to not have ads on your domain. This, you will click again, send test, and then you can just send the test to yourself or to whatever email you want. A subject letter. I think you wanted to change this to read that, and then you can send it to reply to whatever. This is just for the test email. So send it and then see if you like it. Otherwise, if you are ready to just send the email and you don't need to test it or we've already tested it, then let's just go ahead and we're going to go back to editing because we've pushed that. You'll land up here also, with this dashboard. And instead of doing preview and test, you'll just go to next. Now you're at your contact lists, and you can see these are all your independent ones, but really all we're going to do is click all. Okay, that's everybody in your list right now. Okay, and then we're just going to go to next. Again, change the subject line to whatever you want it to be. Change where it's going to reply and just hit send. That's it. Every once in a while, Wix will send one of those codes to your SBC Global email account to verify, but the last one they didn't require it, so I don't think they'll need it for this next one, but just know and have that ready in case that gets sent. Otherwise, they'll go out instantly or in a couple of batches, and you'll start seeing them right away, and you'll be done. Okay, when you're done, it'll just say, congratulations, your email has been sent. and you can just log off of the Wix account and you're all set. Okay,